Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the S22 Ultra. I did a poll on my channel, and 47 votes, and a lot of you wanted to see my little review on performance and battery life, so that is what we're going to talk about today. So first off, let's just start off on battery life. It's been unplugged since about 10:30, 11 o'clock this morning. We're down to 64%, and this is with heavy usage. I've been on my phone pretty much all day, except for a couple hours, and I found that this phone can pretty much get me through all day, no problem, when I'm out and about, and about 80% of the day if I'm literally just sitting at home using my phone, which, this being a new device, I have done. I've been playing around with it, all that kind of stuff. If we go into the settings here, my display settings, you guys can see I have my brightness pretty high up there. I don't use adaptive brightness. I've never had that on. Extra brightness is turned off. The motion smoothness is on adaptive, so it does go up to 120 Hertz. And the screen resolution is on WQHD+, the highest one you can go up to. And battery life has been pretty good. I've seen a lot of people complaining about it. I've even seen some people complaining about the S Pen constantly charging and taking up too much battery, which doesn't make much sense to me, because this doesn't even have a battery in it. It technically has a capacitor, so it charges in less than a minute, and then that's pretty much it. It should be done. The S Pen also disconnects from the phone when it is in storage, unless you have the option to stay always connected enabled, which will use more battery life because it's always connected Bluetooth wise, so you can do the air commands and stuff like that. But if you have that turned off, it disconnects when you put the S Pen away, which I would recommend to most people because it does not take very long to connect. Like, I'm pulling it out right now and it's connected by the time I fully get the pin out. So really, I would just leave that off, because most of the time, by the time you get the pin out and in your hand, it's already connected to the phone. So battery life, not an issue for me whatsoever. We just dropped a percent. Not an issue for me whatsoever. Performance has been great, very, very snappy. The screen is very smooth. It is crystal clear. I do have a Whitestone Dome screen protector on here, the ones I've been using in all my videos on all my phones. So that is installed on here, but the screen is still very crystal clear. Everything loads up just fine. No stutter, no lag, or anything like that. So very, very solid performing device. I will be doing some other testing. I've had this phone for just under a week now, so I will be doing a long-term full review on everything. But this is just the video on the performance and battery life that you guys wanted to see. Next up, I will be doing a couple more accessory videos. I do plan on getting a couple more cases, maybe a skin. I haven't decided on that quite yet, but we will see. So that is my S22 Ultra. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below. If you have anything else you want to see, leave it in the comments section.